she is almost done. This is where we're gonna put the greenhouse. These are our 4 beds, and then the green spots are our walkways. We have a killer, and we're gonna be flattening them out over the next few days.
Yes. Hey guys, so Juliana and Sherry are putting some organic fertilizer before we plant. Yeah, we're just trying to cultivate all of this beforehand. Our seeds are actually germinating right now. There are some that are ready to plant, but not everything yet. Say hi guys.
Hi.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Why not?
The pot and the black blob.
It looks easy.
Keep doing it, Sherry. Farming. This is what farming is all about. So we just finished cultivating the soil for our greenhouse or our hoop house, and just want to show you what we used. So after we cultivated this manually, and also we used that kind of machine, Richard uses it. He used it to kind of help this. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, we use this. It's a organic and natural fertilizer from vegetables and herbs, and then we mix it. We mix the soil, and also we use this as a top fertilizer because right now we don't have our own compost yet. We started, but it's not ready. So we're using this one. It's also organic. Yeah, we don't want to use any chemicals or anything that is not organic in our garden. And also for our animals later on, it has to be grass-fed, grass-finished for cows, pasture, chickens, and pigs, and other ones, hopefully goats and sheep, we'll see. But yeah, we're done cultivating our garden for our hoop house, and next week we're gonna start putting the hoop house, and then we're gonna start planting our seeds, because right now they're like 1 inch, and we have to wait until I think 3 inches to 5 inches before planting them. But we put a what cover is this called again, Juliana? Weed blocker. Yeah, it's a weed blocker, so we're not gonna have a hard time weeding. We took what we could, like, look at my hands. We took what we could off with the soil, the grass off the soil, so it wouldn't grow again, and then put this, and then kind of like put an X, they said, and then start planting. So I'm gonna finish this. Richard and Sherry did this 3, as me and Juliana were, grabbing some roots and weed out from the soil, weed off the soil. And then I'm gonna put those 2 fertilizers and cover it with the weed blocker as well, and then we're done and ready to plant whenever. We just have to make sure we're finished planting before the end of October, before the freezing season, so we can all keep our plants safe, and hopefully it will work out with God's help.
Yeah, but at least keep an eye on them then.
Yeah, you gotta keep an eye on them, Sherry.
Vultures. Hawks, etc. Okay, don't do it next time because I want to try it.
I did a lot of them. About time.